Hello friends, in this video we'll discuss about how to cast and share your mobile screen to your Windows laptop without of any external software. In this video I'm going to show you the full process of screencasting to the laptop so that you can see your mobile screen on big laptop screen. By using this you can watch your mobile content like videos and images on your laptop screen. So without wasting a time, let's begin the video. So first of all you need to take your Windows laptop. So as you can see, this is my Lenovo Windows laptop. Now just open your laptop settings. So in a laptop setting you will get to see so many options here. First of all you need to download the wireless display feature in your laptop so that you can cast your mobile screen. Now just click on apps on the left hand side and just click on optional features. To add wireless display feature you just need to click on view feature. After that you just need to enter wireless display in a search bar of optional feature. So as you can see, it is showing wireless display feature with size in a MB. Now just select a checkbox and click on next and then click on install. Now it will take a few minutes to install this feature, so just wait for some time. Now the installation process has been completed. After adding this feature, just come back to the setting page and click on system option. In a system option you will get to see so many options, so just scroll down a little bit and click on projecting to the PC option. So before launching the wireless display we will apply some setting here, so just select available everywhere and first time only option to connect your device. Select never option for pin pairing so that you can avoid to enter pin code at a connection. After that just click on launch to connect option. So as you can see, wireless display is turned on in my laptop and it is showing device name on your sky blue display. Now in the last step you need to take a mobile whose screen you want to cast on laptop screen. So this is Realme 8 Android device in my hand. So first of all turn on Wi-Fi and then go to the screencast icon. After enabling screencast it will show you the laptop name on your screen. So just click on that. After that it will take few seconds for connection. So friends, as you can see, we have connected our mobile screen on laptop. Now you can watch your mobile content in your laptop screen easily. So this was a video about how to cast mobile screen on Windows laptop easily. Please do like and share to this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.